bake Dorayakis, which are Japanese red bean pancakes. So first you're going to want to start in a large mixing bowl, 4 large eggs. So 1, 2, 3 in Spanish, and 4. Now you're going to want to get 2/3 of a cup of sugar. Put that in there. And then 2 tablespoons of honey. Which might take a little bit. But it is worth it. A little bit on my hand. Okay, and now you're going to want to add a 1 1/3 cups of flour, and then 1 tablespoon of baking powder. And now you're going to want to whisk that until it's nice and fluffy. Now you can see right here that, well, you can't really see, but it's becoming yellow from the egg yolk. You can see right in there. You can see that's getting nice and yellow from the egg yolk. And that is what you want. And now, once it's all nice and fluffy, you're going to want to rest in the fridge for 15 minutes. So I'm going to do that. And see you. It is done. And now you're going to want to stir in 1 to 2 tablespoons of eggs. I did 2. Not eggs, water. I did 2. And you're going to want to stir that up. And now here comes the fun part, cooking. So first you're going to want to start off with, you're going to want to oil the pan. So I'm going to do that real quick. Okay. Now, you're going to want to go ahead and do 3 tablespoons. So I got a 1 tablespoon thing here. So you're going to want to do 1, 2, and 3. And now it should be, I don't have a ruler, but it should be like 3 inches in diameter. So I'm just going to try and round this out a little bit. There. And now I'm going to start the thing. So basically, I'm going to keep it like that. That should be good. And now when I start seeing this bubble, I'm going to flip it over. Quick comparison, and it's smaller. But look how nice this one looks though. I think I know what I did. I didn't really stir it smooth enough. Just to be safe, I'll stir it. Oh, jeez. Big boy explode. Time for the beans. Okay. So now you're just gonna wanna make a sandwich. Maybe I can just, here. And that is what it should look like. And now I'm just gonna take these pieces and save them for later. Now I have to make 5 more of these.